I've experienced a change in mentality towards games. From ages 12 to 18, I spent a lot of my time playing games. Any school break, such as summer, winter, or Thanksgiving break, you can guarantee I was online playing a game for many hours a day. Whether it was Roblox, Minecraft, Rust, World of Warcraft, TF2, Counter-Strike Global Offensive, etc. Dumping sometimes 12 to 14 hours a day during breaks on a variety of games that required a large time investment. However, following my graduation from high school last year in 2019, I've become unable to play most of these games. I find it hard to dedicate even 2 hours a day to such games now, as I value my time more, whether it be towards game development, college, or my part-time job. I began seeing the large appeal of casual titles, and roguelikes especially, games where they are either easy to pick up and put down, such as Delver, and games like Binding of Isaac, where each time you have a fresh and randomly generated experience that can go as long as a minute or even 2 hours. As I've been developing my game No Home for Icarus, which is a roguelike resource manager, I ended up cutting many features and ideas for a more casual and relaxing experience. That would be a way to provide people with an entertaining experience that can either be picked up and put down with relative ease that does not disrupt your day or linger on your mind like games like Rust, where even if you aren't physically playing the game, your mind is still worried about a plethora of issues, like whether or not you're going to get offline raided, if the people you're playing with are going to lose to an online raid defense, or if the next door clan is going to grow and squash you. This overall change in mentality has been a very positive thing, not only for my skills and the way that I manage my time in life, but also in that it's opened my mind to a larger variety of games that I've never considered in the past. Games such as Islanders, Delver, A Short Hike, Among Us, and Downwell. I think sometimes in the gaming community, people often look down on casual experiences or very simple games for their perceived lack of depth. However, these games are necessary and still brilliant in execution. Not every gamer wants a game that's full of complex storylines and characters that end up managing over time, but just a simple and easy way to pass some time, wind down, and entertain oneself. It definitely sucks not being able to log 80 to 100 hours a week playing with all my friends, especially during an event like COVID, but this change has led to me better developing my art skills, giving me more time to work on my game, pick up and refine other skills such as music production, and even boost my confidence. I'm working on myself and building up my confidence, whereas when playing games like Rust, you quickly learn everything there is to do in the game, and it ends up just becoming an entertaining way to pass time. You never actually accomplish anything big for yourself. Not to say that games are useless or don't offer any skills, because being entertained and having a good time with other people is always a good thing for you. But for me, it's become more of a habit of moderation than a full-time investment. That's it for today's short video. If you've enjoyed, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and leave a comment if you've experienced a similar change. Thanks for watching.